Did you know that one of the oldest crops in human history, used for over 7,000 years, isn't just a food? It's also medicine, fabric, and even part of ancient beauty rituals. I'm talking about flaxseed, a tiny powerhouse that has traveled through history from Egyptian tombs to your modern kitchen. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know why flax seeds deserve a spot in your daily routine, and I'll show you how to prepare a soothing flaxseed tea that your gut will thank you for. Flaxseed comes from the plant Lignum usitatissimum. The name itself means the most useful, and trust me, it really lives up to that reputation. The seeds are small, brown or golden with a subtle nutty flavor. They may look humble, but don't let their size fool you. They've been called the world's first superfood long before the word superfood became trendy. The story of flax is truly fascinating. Did you know ancient Egyptians used linen made from flax fibers to wrap their mummies? Even Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribed flax seeds for stomach pains back in 500 BC. And Charlemagne was so convinced of its benefits that he passed laws requiring his subjects to eat it. Imagine a king mandating flax seeds in your diet. That's how valuable they were. So what's inside these tiny seeds? They're like nature's little capsules. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, packed with lignans, a type of plant antioxidant with hormone-balancing effects, loaded with soluble and insoluble fiber for your gut health. Plus, they contain essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin B1. Here's a cool fact: flax seeds are the richest plant source of lignans on Earth, making them truly unique compared to other seeds. Now, let's talk about why people throughout history and today still swear by flax seeds. 1. Digestive health. Because of their high fiber and mucilage content, flax seeds work like a natural gut cleanser. They can relieve constipation, soothe irritated stomach lining, and improve overall bowel health. 2. Heart protection. Thanks to omega-3s, flax seeds help reduce inflammation and may lower cholesterol. Modern research confirms what ancient healers believed: flax truly supports cardiovascular health. 3. Hormonal balance. Those lignans I mentioned? They act like gentle plant estrogens. For women, this can help ease menopausal symptoms and support hormonal balance naturally. 4. Blood sugar control. Flax slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. This is why it's recommended even for people with type 2 diabetes. 5. Skin and hair health. Many traditional medicines, from Ayurveda to European folk medicine, used flaxseed preparations for glowing skin and shiny hair. And here's something you might not know: flaxseed tea was once used in pharmacies as a remedy for sore throats, coughs, and even bladder irritation, because it creates a soothing protective layer over the mucous membranes. So, how do you turn these seeds into a healing tea? It's simple. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole flax seeds. Pour about 250 milliliters of hot water over them. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the water turning slightly thick and mucilaginous. That's the magic part, the soothing mucilage. Strain and drink warm. Optional. Add a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey for taste. This tea is a game changer for a sore throat, cough, or digestive irritation. Pro tip: drink it slowly in small sips to let the protective layer coat your stomach and throat. And here's a fun twist: flax seeds aren't just for tea, they're often used as an egg substitute in vegan baking. Just mix ground flax seeds with water and you get a gel-like mixture that works just like eggs in recipes. So not only are they healthy, they're also versatile in the kitchen. So next time you look at those tiny brown seeds, remember, they're a link to ancient civilizations, a treasure chest of nutrients, and a gentle healer for your body. Whether you sprinkle them on breakfast or sip them as tea, flax seeds show us that the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like more videos like this one.